Is Clickfunnels the best sales funnel in 2021? Clickfunnels review, pricing, and product features. Whether you're a small business owner or an established brand, competition is fierce and the business landscape ever-evolving. These days it is not enough to have a top-notch service or grade A product. One must also know how to reach one's target audience and how to successfully convert them into sales and profit. One of the methods commonly used in marketing is the use of sales funnels. In a nutshell, a sales is a series of steps that helps business owners bring their products into the forefront of consumers' awareness and effectively converting their interest into sales. There are many ways to create and manage sales funnels through the use of different marketing service platforms. However, more often than not, the use of different platforms does not give the best results. The simple solution: there is a better, simpler solution: Clickfunnels. As it says on their website, Clickfunnels allows customers the freedom to quickly create beautiful sales funnels that convert your visitors into leads and then customers without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And that right there is truth in advertising. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, selling a product or a service, Clickfunnels lets all businesses from different e-commerce spectrums to use their multifunctional platform to effectively create sales funnels that employ email automation, third-party marketing processes, and other marketing methods to convert leads into sales. Features and functions: to be able to create an effective sales funnel, it is recommended that you start by building a landing page. Clickfunnels has everything you need to do this. Clickfunnels Editor: it is as straightforward as it comes. Choose from a wide array of templates, point and click on what you want to appear on your template and then simply drag the element and drop it where you want it. Follow-up funnels: this feature allows you to speak directly to a specific contact instead of just sending an automated email for a whole group. By using this feature, you can create a deeper, better, and more effective connection with your leads and contacts. One other notable function that Clickfunnels has is the backpack. This lets you create dynamic affiliate programs that will make significant advancements when it comes to sales without having to shell out any extra resources. Backpack, simply put, works like how word of mouth works. The more affiliates you have that are pushing your product or service, the more leads you can generate that could potentially convert into sales. The best part of it is that you wouldn't have to pay your affiliates until after a sale is made. Pricing and cost: before you even have to decide if Clickfunnels is the right marketing program for you, you can sign up for a free trial and experience just how easy it is to navigate and use. Take advantage of their 14-day free trial, start building your first sales funnel, and personally see for yourself how Clickfunnels is the right fit for you and your business. Clickfunnels Pros: offers automatic thank you page with landing page. Funnel Builder is very impressive, offers powerful automations, integrate well with third-party email service providers. Just with a drag and drop one can customize, no coding knowledge needed. Cons: provide email support only. Clickfunnels Alternatives: 1. Kartra. Kartra is a subscription-based software that leverages the benefits of funnels, landing pages, marketing automation, analytics, tagging, segmentation, and email marketing, which in turn results in considerably positive outcomes. 2. System.io. System.io, a one-stop, web-based software that caters to every aspect of your business needs, from marketing to management, by utilizing a wide range of functions in an easily accessible environment. Basically, System.io has the majority of answers to your business' every need, and they do this by constantly and continuously researching and developing solutions as new challenges and requirements arise.